Good morning. Today we'll make a bird with the help of different shapes. For making this, we need a yellow color paper, red color paper, blue color paper, black paper, glue, scissor, eraser, pencil, scale, a small circle. You also can use a coin, a big bangle. So let's start. Take a yellow sheet. With the help of small circle or a coin, draw a circle on a yellow sheet. Now cut this circle with the help of scissor. You can also take help from your parents and elder brother sister. Cut it very carefully. See, this I have already cut this for you. Now take a red paper. With the help of same small circle or a coin, draw the same size circle with the help of pencil and cut it with the help of scissor. After cutting, you will observe this type of circle. Now take red paper and scale and pencil. Draw a line of 3 centimeter lengthwise, 1.5 centimeter breadthwise and cut it with the help of scissor. See, you will observe this shape. This is a rectangular shape. Now again take a yellow paper to draw a square of 2 by 2 sides. To draw the square, you will use a scale and pencil. Draw a line of 2 cm lengthwise and breadthwise to make a square. As we know, in square, all the sides are equal. So we will draw all the sides equals to 2 cm. Now cut it with the help of scissor. You will observe this type of shape. This is a square of 2 by 2 sides. Now take a third color, blue color, and take any bangle or a big circle to draw a big circle on this paper. Draw it with the help of pencil. Draw it very neatly and carefully. Cut the circle with the help of scissor. Again, you can take help from your parents or elder brother sister. After cutting, you will observe this type of bigger circle of color blue. Now the last shape that we will is triangle. Take your scale and place it at one corner of the paper. Draw a line of 3 cm from one side and 3 cm from another side. Now join these two ends to make a triangle. Cut this triangle with the help of scissor. Start. Now we have two small circles of color yellow and red. One rectangle of color red, one square of color yellow, one triangle of blue color and a big circle of color blue. For making a bird, we will further cut these shapes in some parts. Firstly, take the bigger circle and divide in 2 equal parts. So cut it with the help of scissors from very center. Here are the 2 equal parts of the circle and these are known as semicircles. Take this triangle, cut in 4 equal parts. For dividing it in 4 equal parts, we will cut it from the center. Here are 2 equal parts. Then again cut this triangle in 2 parts. So these are the 4 small triangles of blue paper. Take this square and cut it into 4 equal parts. Now we have a rectangle. Cut this rectangle in 2 equal parts. For this, we will cut it from the lengthwise. Here are 2 rectangles. Now take a red circle. We will cut this circle in 3 different shapes. For this, firstly cut it from the center. This is the first shape we have. Now cut this semicircle. This is the second shape we have. Cut this fourth part in 2 equal parts. This is the third shape that we have from the circle. Now we will assemble these all parts to make a bird. So take a black paper to make a base. For the body of bird, we will take the semicircle of blue color and paste it with the help of glue. Place it slightly tilted. Now take a yellow circle to make a face of the bird and paste it with the help of glue. These rectangular pieces we will use to make the legs of the bird. Paste it with the help of glue. First part of semicircle, we will use it as a wing of a bird. Second part of the circle will be used as a nose. And the third part will be used as a tail of the bird. For the feet, we will use these yellow strips. These triangles will be used as the head of the bird. With the help of pencil, you can make an eye. See, I have made it.